Okay, we are at 897 East Roma, and this is unit number 1. And you can see this is a gated community. It's really close to the heart of the action, if you will, right off of 7th Street and Indian School. So you're really close to a lot of things. And as I enter this unit, I thought that you should know that because it's important. Location's always a bonus. And as you come in here now, you'll look at the warm paint throughout, also the hard surface, not only in this front area, but throughout the house as I go to each room, in and out of each room. So, okay, here's the main living area, and you'll notice it has a fireplace here. It has a unique fan as well, and really kind of open, and as I hit it from all angles, you can kind of see that. And so this kind of opens out into a patio, private patio area. So we'll check that out here. And you can see you got it covered patio. Pretty decent size here where you can do kind of outdoor things like grill, that sort of stuff. And then as you come back in here, you will notice the kitchen area and dining area as well. That's your dining area, and that's your kitchen area. One thing I wanted to point out was these really nice counters, granite counters, and then you've got really good cabinets as well. And over here, you've got yourself a gas stove, the microwave as well, that's included, and your refrigerator and your dishwasher. Those are obviously included since they are here, and we're not going to take them away before you move in. And then you've got your laundry area here with your washer dryer that comes with it. And then there's a bathroom area that serves the bottom stairs, the bottom floor rather. And then this, you can see nice granite countertops as well in there. So this will lead you out to your garage, and it's one of my favorite things to do on these videos is to open the garage and let the light come in, and you will notice that the garage is good size. So, you can fit a couple cars in here, plus a lot of other stuff as well. So we'll go back in and then take a look as we go upstairs. You can take a look at the, one more look at the bottom floor, if you will. And so we're cruising around here, and we're going to go up these stairs. And again, it's hard surface throughout, including the stairs here. And up. We're getting there. And the first place I'm going to go is to the guest bedrooms. And we'll go here and give you a good look here at this hallway. And we'll start with the back guest bedroom. And this is the back guest bedroom. Come in here. And we'll take a look. A lot of light in here. Good use of light by the architect for this room, in my opinion. And then you've got a decent sized closet here as well. So again, good floors, good walls, real clean feel as I kind of move throughout the house. I'm getting that clean feel, and hopefully that'll come off on the video. And so here's the again, granite countertops throughout the house, and that includes this bathroom here. We take a look at that, and then you've got your storage area here in between the guest bedrooms, and here's the other guest bedroom as well, and a little bit different layout. We'll take a look at it from a couple different angles for you, and then we'll take a look at this closet. Closet's good size. If you had a person living in the guest bedroom and they were a clothes horse, they would probably appreciate that. So now we're going in here, and we go to the primary bedroom. And this is a big bedroom. You can see as we look through this, and then we'll take a look at from this angle here, and then we will look at the primary closet rather. And here it is. And that's good. That'll fit a lot of stuff there. And you cruise over here to your master bathroom. Oh, look, here again, granite countertops. And then it's a pretty good sized bathroom too. So, you'll feel kind of open as you shower. And now we'll look at here. This is pretty cool, this patio. And it's pretty big, pretty good size here. Look at how good a size it is. You can come out here when it's nice like this, drink some coffee, get some sun, that sort of thing. It's pretty good little space there. Well, that concludes this video tour of this property. If you have any other questions regarding this property, you can go to rpmphoenixvalley.com and get a detailed listing as well as how to apply and that sort of thing. And thanks for watching. I wish you a good day or evening wherever you may be. Thanks.